I'm scared.
Hello, boys and beauties. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, I got me a good little ball cap on my head. I am going to be doing a wig review of the Outre lace front wig. So, so this is the wig. The name of this wig is Phoenix. Boom, boom, boom. DR4 Sandy Blonde. I did a poll on Instagram of like, what is it that you want to see on my channel? And a lot of people said that they wanted to see some color. So I only spent about 40 bucks, if that. I think I had like a little discount. I'm going to put the link down below. You can order this off Amazon Prime, so I'm going to drop that link. But as you see, this is what it comes in. This is the color that I have. This beauty right here, she's cute. This color right here, it did it for me. I'm like, oh yeah, I can do that. I can do that. So let me take her out of the pack. Ooh, I'm excited. I haven't did a wig review since my last video. I gotta make sure to check it out. But look, it's super cute. Ooh. I'm nervous, y'all. I haven't did like a color wig before. And I'm kind of nervous. I'll just pull it like that. But this is what it looks like close and personal. Phoenix. Look at the back, like it basically gives you like the step-by-steps on like how to put it on, like how it's supposed to lay and everything. So we're just gonna pop this sucker on real quick. I'm just gonna see what this looks like. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Pull her back a little bit. So it say like it's full lace or whatever, but it's not really full lace. It's like the lace stop right here. Let me see. I'm trying to pull this up. My head is so little. But oh, this is cute so far though. I've never done a color like this before.
Let me get myself situated before I cutting and everything.
So, oh my god. Y'all, I look funny. I don't look funny. I like it a little bit. I like it. So, let me try to fix it a little bit. Ooh. I like this because, like, it's already parted. I'm probably just going to add a little bit of my foundation. I'm kind of happy this isn't, like, one of those free part lace ones because, like, I would have had to put way too much foundation. And I don't personally like to do that. You know what I'm saying? But, it goes pretty well. So bear with me real quick while I cut my lace. Go ahead and do that. Alright, so I went ahead and I cut off my lace. I have not brushed the hair yet, so wait. I'm about to go in with my Kiss powder foundation. I'm just gonna fill in the big part. I think people be sleeping on these wigs. I'm not sure. I feel it. So now since I did that, now I'm going to go ahead and brush. like, this is really cute. I was sleeping on this. I was a little skeptical because I am not a color girl, you know what I'm saying? But I definitely want to encourage people to step out of their comfort zone. Like, this is super cute. I'm very shocked. Like, this is like a cute, ashy blonde. Let me show y'all what it looks like. You know, you got little twirls of the back, and how it just, ooh,
Girl, please. Oh my god, this is all cute, you know? And like, if you don't like the brightness, I'm not like a big fan of like how this is like kind of dry, because they are kind of dry. I mean, granted, they look really good. I don't really have too much complaints about this. I'm like very shocked. But I will say,
I have my like oil sheen, my argan oil, and I'm just gonna put a little scoop on it to give it like that shine. I'm just gonna put that. I look cute, ayy. I look cute, ayy. If you get this wig, ayy, you gonna look cute, ayy. In all, I really like this wig. I really didn't have to do anything to it. I don't have like any issues with like the lace or anything. I like how the bangs fall like right in front of my hair, and I already added oil to it, so it just kind of flows. You just have to kind of play with it to give it like that like loose look. Like, this is perfect. I love this. I naturally, like, if I had like my human hair, I would definitely curl my hair like this. I feel like not only is it pretty, but it matches my skin tone. I sometimes have issues anytime I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone, especially when I'm doing color, because sometimes I just get so nervous. But this color really complements my skin, okay? And for all my brown skin girls, all my dark skin girls, you can definitely rock this, okay? So you can like definitely do like a soft makeup look. Like, I have a very soft makeup. You can't even tell I really have on makeup. And just popping on some lashes if you want to go out when the quarantine is over. Jesus. When the quarantine is over, you and your friends can go out, or you can go out with bae. You can just throw this on. This is so convenient. I didn't have any problems with like putting it on. It went right on, and it fits my head perfectly. They do have like these two adjustment straps on the left and the right hand side. So like if your head is smaller than mine, which that cannot be possible, all you have to do is just like adjust it. But in all, I really like this wig. I don't really have too much to say about it. I think you should purchase it. I'm gonna drop the link down below. And I would say rock this wig. Like, this is really cute. I feel really confident. I was really feeling myself. Like, I called my best friends, I called my cousin. I'm like, ooh, look at me, I'm looking cute, I'm fine. So I just thought this would just be really cute. And like, it's so hard to find a good ashy brown, you know what I'm saying, for my skin. And I just feel like this just compliments me so well. Look at this. This is cute. This is cute. Y'all should definitely check this out. Outre Phoenix. This is a sandy blonde. I would have never tried blonde, but this is like extra cute. I really, really hope that y'all like, hold on now. I hope that y'all can like, you know, get into this look and try it out. Like, this is super cute. That is it. I hope you all enjoyed my wig review. I really like this wig. I'm going to leave the link down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what other colors you would like to see. I love you so much. Thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video. And I hope to see you next time.